Namaste friends. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Welcome you all in our channel Long Live Homeopathy. Today we'll discuss about COPD and asthma. Both are chronic lung disease that causes airflow limitation, but they differ in different ways and most important ways. Tropical onset. In tropical onset, asthma often childhood or young adulthood. In COPD, usually after 40 years of age. Then after we are coming main causes: airways inflammation and hyperactivity often triggered by allergens, whereas in COPD, long-term exposure to smoking, air pollution or occupational irritants. Then airflow limitations, usually reversible with the treatment, whereas in COPD, partially reversible or irreversible. The symptoms are episodic wheezing chest, then after tightness, cough, shortness of breath. In COPD, persistent cough, sputum production, shortness of breath. Now, gears. Allergens in asthma, exercise, cold air and infection, whereas in COPD, smoking, infections and pollutions. Lung function, often normal, but in COPD usually remains impaired. Treatment: inhaled corticosteroid, bronchodilators, triggered avoidance, whereas in COPD, smoking cessation, bronchodilator, pulmonary rehabilitation, sometimes inhaled steroids. Now, asthma. Airways becomes and overlie sensitive. Symptoms often come and goes. Attacks can be triggered by dust, pollen, pets, exercise or cold air. And most important is most patients can achieve good control with treatment. In COPD, includes conditions such as emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Causes are progressive damage to the lungs. In COPD, most commonly associated with cigarette smoking. Symptoms gradually worsens over time. Can someone have both? Yes. Some people have asthma and COPD overlap ratio, where features of both diseases are present. These patients may have persistent airflow limitations along with the asthma like airway inflammation. Common symptoms of both: shortness of breath, wheezing, chronic cough, then chest congestion, reduced exercise tolerance, so friends, this is the detailed scene of asthma and COPD. So now, in the next session, I will tell you regarding the homeopathic medicine. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I hope you will like this video, the differentiation between the asthma and COPD. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.